Good morning, you guys. So it is Saturday morning. I'm up early here to Pilates class. We're going to be outside today, which I love. But yeah, I did not feel like getting up, but I'm up. I'm here showing up for myself, and I encourage you to show up for yourself as well. So I'm about to get ready to get in here so I can get me a good spot. That man out there, he running this morning. I can't do that. My knees bad. But yeah, let me get on in here. Good morning, you guys. I just want to get on here, open up this vlog for today. I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. So today is Monday. We supposed to be going somewhere. Y'all excuse me if y'all hear all that knocking. My husband out there, I don't know what he doing. But we supposed to be taking the kids to go do a little bit of school shopping, but not sure if we're going to do that today. And they ain't got but 2 more weeks in school to be starting. But right now, cleaning up here in the kitchen. I already done washed the dishes. I'm waiting for my husband so we can get this fridge out of here because it's in my way. But I got my dishes washed. Got some in the dishwasher as well. And I'm just going to try to finish getting this kitchen clean. Because it is a mess. So, if you need some motivation, I hope I'm able to give you that. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. Whew, I got to first get my drinks in the drink fridge first. Oh my God, y'all sorry. I cannot find my stand to my camera. Ethan. 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 You see my stand to my camera? You probably ain't seen it. That's okay. You probably ain't seen it. Where in the world is my stand? Now that don't make no sense. Excuse me, y'all, for... Where is my stand? Y'all, I cannot find my stand so I can put this camera on. Oh, look at him. Look where it's at. Right here on the floor. See that? When you don't put stuff back where it's supposed to go, you can't never find it. But yeah, y'all, I've been busy this morning. I done got my bed made up. Like I said, got the dishes clean. Wash some by hand. Ugh. Whew. Ooh, these knees. Now I'm about to fill up this drink fridge. So I attempted to record me and my husband taking the fridge out, but I guess my camera the battery ended up going dead, so I wasn't able to get much. But y'all, we struggled with this refrigerator. It is heavy, and we had to take the handles off the fridge. We had to get my oldest two sons to come and help. Y'all, this refrigerator was a beast. All right, y'all, so we just got finished moving the fridge. It is out the way, and I could get my stuff put back like it was. Yeah, we had to take just about everything off. Had to take the door off, so we got it done. So, can y'all believe that we are coming up to another start of the school year. My kids, they start August the 4th, which is on a Monday. They're not ready to go back, but I know I am. They eat me out of house and a home. I buy snacks and they're gone within 2 to 3 days, and I have all boys. Can y'all imagine that? But I know I'm ready for them to go back. The only thing that I'm gonna hate is getting up early in the mornings to make sure they get up, and don't even talk about when I start working. I'm gonna have to get up extra early to get myself ready to make sure I get them up ready. But let me know down in the comment section, are your kids ready to go back to school? Are you ready for your kids to go back to school? here in the Bath and Body Works. Got a 75% off sale. You better come and get it. I wonder how it smells. Can't do this with both hands. That smell okay.
We got a price note around the other side.
Where you see it at?
So,
Alright, so I come in here to get me some wildflowers. They have all different kinds. Not sure which one I want to get. And they got them on for $28. So I see that they have the washing detergent. I saw that on your City's page. And they have it for 2 for $30. Has anybody ever tried the fabric softeners before? Or these fabric boosters? Alright, you guys, so now we're here in the Walmart, and y'all look at this chair. This chair is so cute. And it swivels. Surprise. $266. I wouldn't mind having a chair like that, but I don't have anywhere to put it, so moving on along. Excuse me. So y'all look at this little, I guess it's a Chester wood. It's real cute, soft clothes. This will look real nice. Soft clothes. And y'all, somebody, they don't know how to put stuff together. They put this in wrong. But yeah, let me show. This is what it looks like. Y'all, Walmart has some cute dresses. Like this little black dress. You can't really see it that good. I don't think I like that one too much. But this right here, this is so cute. And it being on the hanger doesn't give it any justice. And it is $17.98. And they have a blue one back here as well. So y'all don't sleep on Walmart, because Walmart be having some cute things. Alright, y'all, so I'm home now. Me and my mom, we went to Walmart, went to Bath and Body Works, and I'll probably show what I got from the Bath and Body Works later, because I already don't put my groceries up. The few that I did get from Walmart, I already put it up. And yeah, right now I'm just sitting here, got my knee propped up because it's been swelling. So I might have to hold off on the workouts a little bit, or I'll just have to modify a lot of them. But yeah, that's pretty much all we had going on today.